Now let's go ahead and create our legal pages, that is privacy policy and terms and conditions pages. So to do that, I'll go ahead and create my pages. So I'll go to the back end by just clicking on the name of my website here. And I'll go to pages. I can decide to duplicate some of the pages I already have so that I just build on it. So I'll use the About Us page as I did earlier. So I duplicate this. So this is it. Quick edit. And the status, I change it to published, update. I do the same thing for privacy policy, so I can just duplicate the terms and conditions. So PA duplicate. It is right here. Quick edit. Status, published, update. All right. Now privacy policy, I'll right click Elementor, and then I do the same thing for terms and conditions. Right click, open in a new tab. So now I'm going to show you a website that you can use to generate your privacy policy and terms and conditions. So to do that, you can use a website called getterms.io. Enter. So with this, you can make a free privacy policy and terms and conditions pages. But if you want standard package or comprehensive package, you can go in for $25 and $49 respectively. So I click on the free one. So in here, I enter my web address. So I'll say mydomain.com, for example. Company name, my domain, then location, I'll say Ghana, email, info@mydomain.com. So my website will collect personal information. What kind of information will it collect? Name, email, phone number, mailing address. Now in here, what you use personal information for: personalizing experience, contacting users, okay, email newsletters. I think that's it. You can check whatever is applicable to you. I don't use third-party services. I use cookies. My website does not target children under 13. Now privacy, contact name, I'll say my domain. This is just some fictitious names I'm providing. And then contact method for your privacy contact. So I'll just enter mydomain.com/contact. So this can be my contact page. Now I understand and agree to the terms. Then I click on generate terms. Okay, so these are my terms and conditions. Perfect. So this is the privacy policy. So I just click on copy to clipboard. It is copied. I go to my privacy policy. So I'll just remove this, and that. Then I'll drag in the text elements. Then in here, I highlight everything, remove, then paste. All right. So I can go ahead and rearrange them. Maybe I make this bold to stand out. Okay. Okay, everything is set. I update. Okay, so in here you see that terms of service and cookie policy are not active for us to use. So you can just go ahead and look at some other websites, how they are crafting out their terms and conditions so that you can also build from them, or you take inspiration from them. So I'll just leave this page empty for now. So I update, and sorry, I need to change the title of this page to terms and conditions, and I'll do the same thing for privacy policy. Perfect. Update. So that's it on creating our legal pages for privacy policy and terms and conditions.